Hi, welcome to a to-do tips review of a product. In this video we're going to see this universal holder with flexible long arm phone or tablet holder for desk or bed, or mobile phone where you can attach your phone. I purchased this from Amazon. Let's get started with this. This is sold on Amazon US for $28 and on Amazon Canada for $30 with a free shipping if you have Prime membership. This is the package, how they shipped it to me. So let's open it. Just a regular ordinary clamp, this attachment, each arm is around from this middle to this middle around 13 inch or 33 centimeters. Let's see the other one, the same 33 centimeters or about 13 inch, and they've included this hex key to attach it. Here, this is the phone attachment. So in terms of length, you will put your phone here, and this looks very solid. I hope it doesn't break quick, but it seems very solid. Wow, this is plastic, but it is well built. That's very nice. Okay, so far underneath we have just this manual. Very nice, very well done. English, Chinese, and maybe there are other languages. Yes, Dutch, Spanish, Italian. What else? French. That's good. For US, beside English, French and Spanish is important, and the rest of the languages are also available. So to attach it, we unscrew this and put this on this side of it. This is where you can attach it to this piece where it goes through the edge of a table, bed, whatever you have. We'll come back to this. So we open this. Insert it into this. Now we will push this so it is inserted. After that we just tighten this. Amazing. Now let's see how much this can open. So you can attach it to desk, to bed, whatever you have. This is now in millimeter. So this can open 48.7 millimeters or 1.9 inch. Keep that in mind, and that's the maximum. You can see this is now opening very wide if you want to put a tablet. Let's just see how far this opens. So as you can see, 19 centimeters, even 20 in terms of inch, just a little more than 7 inch. And here this is a 10 inch iPad. This has extra case for kids to protect it, but to show you the diagonal length, as you can see, this is 10 inch tablet, and the width is here exactly 7 inch or 18 centimeters. Let's put it here. It fits very nicely. And let's test my iPhone 11. So it fits perfectly. And if you have these older, like 5 or 6, they also will fit. So there is no problem. It accepts any phone, because this is the smallest one and all other phones are larger, even up to this size. So it still has more room. And if you're using these Samsung phones, perfect, it will fit, no problem. Now this has fit. Now we have one knob here that you can tighten at any position you want, and also the other one that you can adjust the angle and tighten it. So it's holding it at any angle that you tighten from here and from here. And the joint also, we have this locking mechanism where you can lock it at any angle that you want. There's another one. This is the important part. So this is how you open it and attach it to bed, to the table, to wherever you want. But also there is another hole in both ways, so you can insert it maybe here, from here or here, to some kind of shaft if you have. But this is very solid. So we are inserting it in here. So first you see that screw, you have to open it. And then tighten it. Leave it so you can rotate this easily. The affiliated store links are below the video in the description, so you can purchase it, and also that supports me as well. Let's just attach this to the table. Let's attach it to the table. First, open it wide enough. This is very solid. And this is the iPad, the 6th generation. It has extra case. Still it's fitting and holding it very nicely. You have to tighten it from these knobs. Make sure, because first it has to be balanced. You see, I've not balanced it properly. Make sure that it is at the center, and then balance it and tighten the knob. Holding for this portion, so it doesn't go down. And now it's tightened, and from here also you can tighten it again. That's nice. You can set it vertically or horizontally at any angle you want. If you now let's put the phone and tighten it at specific angle. To lock it this way so it doesn't go at any angle that you want, at fixed angle, just hold it and use the hex key to tighten it. Now it will not rotate, but if you want to tilt it like that, use this knob and tilt it until you're comfortable. But besides, you can also use this knob, the main one, to rotate it to so many angles, wherever you like it. From here you can unlock it so it can and go up and down. At the bottom there is another one. From here, when you lock it, it will not move. Using these two knobs, if you lock it from here, this will not bend like that. So you can lock it at a specific angle so it can stay and doesn't tilt. And this is the same. So if you lock it, this portion will not tilt forward. So it will be tightened. Now the last one is this one. This one is the last one where the rotation of this is being controlled the whole holder. So you can tighten it so it can stay in place. So my first impression, immediately I liked it because you can rotate it at this direction. You can push it up and down, back and forth, and also you can tilt it from here, that angle. The whole holder goes like that, and from the small knob at the back you can put it at 360 at any angle that you want. Let's say this angle, and lock it like that. This is amazing. I definitely recommend this product. I needed this, but this seems to be doing exactly what I wanted, even more. It's very solid. Everything and quality is good. The phone will not slip easily with these rubbers that it has. Definitely I'm recommending it. The link is below the video if you want to purchase it. Please thumb up the video and also subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. If you have comment or question, post it at the comment section below. I try to answer and reply. Operated vacuum cleaner. I bought it from Costco. The first thing that we see is the RPM is 3,331 revolution per minute. Using the sound level meter to measure the sound for this vacuum cleaner. The light is on. I'm just setting it to maximum. You see when I shout it increases. Check the maximum. So 87.3 dB is the sound level when I get this close.